Nikana Kuvikia Utalo Munene wa Koni Makura Amuika Nimathuthw'a Kwosa Ivandi na Kwiyumilya kwa wingi Kuandikithya Akuni Makura ainena kimanisho cha katini TTI ofisa Munene wa nzama ya IEBC ovongewa matungulu Sahara Ibrahimu na walesekana nimeolasmika kutoa Iseso vakuve na Amuika taimanisho atoya Amuika maithi to Kwiyumilya na Kwiyiandikithya ni kwithwa aingi mo mayaisa Kwosa Ivandi boni motesia na maovo
Munene wa Nthini wa kilimo cha matungulu watakana Mose voto thengese wa kuvina manyuwa ya Nikana Kuvikia Utalo Munene wa manyuwa vaithu ya Amuika Kwiyumilya na muno Kwosa Ivandi Kwiyiandikithya Nthini wa Iseso.
Today we are doing voter registration from Kuthuthw'A College, Kuthuthw'A Technical College. We are appealing to all those who have IDs and around here to be able to come and register as a voter. Those who have not yet collected their IDs, because we had there so many collected IDs in various stations, kindly collect your ID and be able to register as a voter.
Vai watakana methito nevinda yomu kuthengese Amuika Kwiyiandikithya Akuni Makura iweta muno alama Mose Ivandi mitukina inamba Kwiyumilya kwa wingi Kwiyiandikithya Nthini wa Iseso.
We are not seeing our people to register as we expected. And yet we have talked to the leaders, the student council, and they even made poster yesterday and circulated within their forums for the students to come with their national ID to be able to register. But yet we haven't seen. And the last time we were here also was like 2 weeks ago. We registered 45 people that day, yes, but the turnout was still very low. Remember, this is a college that has a population of about 4,000 students, and which largely are not registered because most of the students, the current students between their first year to third year, most probably receive their IDs after the 2022 registration. And so we expect like 50+% of that population are not registered according to our expectation, and those are the number that we expect to register. And from the look of things, it's not that much.
Dino luya moyumwe lanza maino idhitwe vinguta hiso ya Kuandikithya nthi Akuni Makura Nthini wa kilimo cha matungulu Utalo nthimana lina miongo nyanya na Kwiyumilya na vana wata Munene wa Amuika Kwiyumilya Kwiyiandikithya Akuni Makura.
So far we have registered only 289. That is for 30 days. That is registration started on 29th of September. Today is 28th of October. That marks 1 month. And the numbers are not that encouraging. So we really appeal to our youth to come and register in large numbers. Our office is situated in Kangondo Junior School. So we are opened Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. At your service.
Kula matungulu kaundini ya Masako nyeni tawaboni mutisa.